The Day in Tech History is sponsored by CashFly over at CACHEFLY.com, where you can host your podcast and get a 14-day free trial.
Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. December 28th, 1895, the world's first movie theater opens in the Salon Indien at the Grand Café in Paris, France. The theater makes use of the portable film camera and functional projector, the cinematographe, based on Edison's experimental kinetograph. 33 people attended the first public show. In 1962, the IBM Data Processing Division releases the IBM 1420 Bank Transit System. 1981, Elizabeth Jordan Carr, who was the first American test tube baby, is born. 1995, Compuserve blocks access to over 200 sexually explicit sites, partly to avoid confrontation with the German government. Access to all but 5 would be restored by February 13th of 1996. 1998, United States President William Jefferson Clinton announces that the computers that control the nation's Social Security payments are now Y2K compliant.
If you love the Day in Tech History, then I encourage you to join my Patreon movement over at patreon.com/geekazine. Your contribution keeps the lights on and more Day in Tech History episodes available. Pledge as little as $1 a month or $12 a year for 365 days of podcasts. Add to that all the content from geekazine.com, morninggeeks.com, and other shows that I produce. That's over at patreon.com/geekazine. Now let's get back into your Day in Tech History.
In 2005, Anthony Clark pleads guilty to writing and distributing a worm that launched a denial-of-service attack on eBay. 2007, a Nintendo Wii running Linux is first demonstrated at the Chaos Communication Congress. Netscape announced AOL will discontinue their browser on February 1st of 2008, and Warner Music Group announces that they will sell music through Amazon.com. And in 2008, a judge announced that Terry Childs, who was the network admin that held the passwords from the city of San Francisco for a couple months, would stand trial for all his actions. And Windows 7 Beta 1 is released. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. Until tomorrow, take care. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.